baby. Sobrang tagal na natin at narito na tayo ngayon para magpakasal. Naalala ko pa yung bago pa lang tayo. Parang walang makakapigil sa atin. Yung unang date natin noong nene at totoy days pa natin. Hindi ko akalain na masusundan pa. Pero naging every week, umulan, umaraw. And kahit 300 pesos na lang yung pera natin, nagagawa pa din nating lumabas para lang makapagkita. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
May crackling streak.
If giving you the moon would make you happy, I'd find a way to reach for the stars and bring it down to you. I vow to be your rock, your partner, and your forever husband.
Always been you. Minamastan na naman ang kawalan.
Kenneth, you have carried me so many times when I couldn't carry myself. You were my strength when I had none left. You were my days I didn't know how to move forward. Yet you never asked for explanations. You never rushed my healing. You simply stayed until I found myself again.
Alam kong sa simula pa lang, alam ko natatagal na tayo. Halos lahat ng qualities natin ay nag-match. Yung mga biro natin na tayo lang yung nakakaintindi. Meron tayong mga struggles and challenges. Pero nagawa natin i-overcome lahat. Kaya tumagal tayo. And now, ikakasal na tayo.
Kenneth, insert and out, he'll forever be better than me. I could live 1,000 lifetimes, and I don't think I will ever deserve you. Sometimes I tell myself maybe this is God making up for all the prayers He once left unanswered. Because He can at a good thing that came after all the things I thought I'd never have.
Parating ng dapit hapon at kay sarap umuwi sa'yo. Kaya tuwing gabi ako'y nananalangin dahil kay palad na ikaw ang kapiling ko sa ilalim ng buwan. Kay saya na ikaw ang katabi ko sa pagsikat ng
Ako, sobrang thankful ko sa kanila kasi lalo sa tatay ko na sila mo yung tama pag-aaral kami tatlo.
Sabi nga nila, in 100 lifetimes, I'd choose you. Every single time. And in 100 worlds, I'd find you.
And today, as we stand before Him and before the people He's placed in our lives, I make these promises that He did not lose by giving me one of His best. I will love you with all that I am, for all that you are. And all you cannot, all you
patunguhan.